is the latest update from the ongoing construction of the first concrete road along that Asaba Onitsha express road. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So it's still Ebukafilms here. So today we are back again on the track to go and show you the latest updates from the ongoing construction of the first concrete road along that Asaba Onitsha expressway. So today we are starting from the junction, and this is junction where we are starting off from. So if you watch closely around here, you can see that they are constructing something like a, should I say, culvert or underground a drainage system, which I don't know. I'm yet to know where they are channeling it to. So but for them to do anything like this around here, it shows that maybe drainage system will come next after the construction of this road. So let's just fold our hands and keep on watching. So the last time I gave you guys updates concerning this ongoing project, we started from that opposite MTN axis, by Jemok side. So and today we are starting from Zene, because this is where we ended our video the last time we toured this road. Then I cross over and go and show you what they are doing around that after Koka axis. So today we started from a Zene axis because nothing much has been added from that Jemok area. Where they stopped is still where they are, around that Jemok area. So if you have not watched the old video, I kindly go and watch them. It's still the same thing. The way it was the last time we filmed that area is still the same up to now. So nothing else has been added, so there's no need filming it for you guys. So I decided to start from this Zene junction because of that particular new thing that was constructed around that place. So another latest update you guys need to know concerning this road is that around here you can see that the road is still very narrow, like the way it used to be. Like has been complaining about it, like this thing should not end this way, and lo and behold, the road actually didn't end like this. So they are now adding something to it, and I think that one will be the last one though. I think that one will be the last one. So they are actually adding it up. So by the time we get down where they currently are, I will show you guys. So they are adding it up. So the road is becoming more wide now. It's becoming more wider now. So you can see there are stones around here. So once they get to this area, they will pour stones where it is needed, then do other things, and then pour the concrete. So that is actually what is going on here. So once we get to that area where they have expanded the road a little bit, you will see it, guys. So those are part of the latest updates you can have from us. So on this particular video, I did a very what we call full tour. I started from that Zene down to where they currently are, around that before mechanic village. Where they currently are now is around the before mechanic village, after summit lagover, then before the mechanic village, that is where they are right now. So I toured the road. I trekked from that Zene down to that around mechanic village to be able to show you guys all the latest updates, what is currently going on. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do subscribe. Don't just watch and leave. Subscribe to also motivate us to keep bringing you updates concerning any project that is going on within the southeast or within Asaba and elsewhere, including giving you some beautiful videos concerning any realization area, mostly travel vlogs and the rest. So very soon you guys be seeing everything. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the like button and click on the share button. So if you watch around here, you will notice that the road has been expanded from here, not like the way it used to be before, from that back we initially showed you guys. So they're actually working today, but I decided not to film when they were working, because I don't want anybody to kind of question me or start asking me some questions which I'm not ready to answer. So that's why I decided to skip the part where they are working, because I mean, some individuals are there, so I decided to skip that part. So at my back is where they are currently working. Where they stopped now is they are almost at the Zene. We say they are almost at the Zene junction, where they currently are. So you can see that the road has expanded a little bit from what we used to have before. So this, at least this particular one is okay. At least it can comfortably contain two vehicles, at least two trailers. I may say it can comfortably contain them. And if as me and I went down and filmed the edges of this road, you will notice that they have terminated the road. All the road that's supposed to come outside from the other side, they have terminated everything, showing that that is the end of it. So but at some point before Koka junction, at some point you will notice that some of them have what's it called, some of them still have that road, like the road are still out. Some sort of the road are still, maybe they will still like add extra thing around there, or they will cut it off. Sorry guys, I think my video is a little bit shaky here. I think I forgot to stabilize this one also, because I told you guys the last video I made that I lost my gimbal. My gimbal got broken, and a lot of people has actually asked me how much the gimbal cost on the comment section. I've given them the price, and I'm yet to hear from any of them though. So I'm yet to hear from any of the people who asked me the price of the gimbal. So I'm just hoping, I'm still expecting that maybe they will still get back to me. So I lost my gimbal, the gimbal got broken, so currently I'm just using my normal tripod so to film this video, so which doesn't have the stabilization features. So that is why the video are kind of shaky. Even when I stabilize it with some apps like that, some video editing apps, you will still notice them when I'm working. So that is it. So what I just showed you is the Koka junction mall, the Kilimanjaro before the Koka. So if you watch from this edge, you will notice that they have terminated the road, showing that maybe this is the end of the wideness of the road. So but some the road that's you see, like I said earlier. So very soon we're gonna be reaching towards that road safety, and I'll also be showing you the streets where the drainage canal is currently ongoing, which I told you that I don't think it has anything to do with this federal road. I think it has something to do with the state government, not the federal project, not federal projects though. So I will show you the streets and how you can get to that particular area in case if you want to see it. So I've also made video about it. I will be leaving the link of that video on this particular one, so you go and watch. So maybe in the future or within some weeks, I'll also go back to see where they currently are, if they have completed it, or if there is any progress that has been added. So this is the looks of everything, and very soon we cross over the Koka, and I'll also show you after the Koka heading towards Summit and the Mechanic Village. So this is what I'm saying. You can see that they have not terminated the road around here. Maybe they will still attach something around this area. So that's what I'm just looking at. Let's just keep watching and how things get on food. So guys, this is the Koka axis. You can see the initial one I showed you is where the concrete pouring ended, and from here you can see that they have already installed a rod, waiting to receive the concrete or something. So but this particular place has been like this since this work started. They have not done anything here since the work started, except now they have installed this road. So the initial place I showed you, which I was pointing arrow on both end, is that the first one is the street where the drainage canal is being constructed. Then the second one is the road safety. So once you get to that old road safety house, the road or the street is at the opposite. So once you take the opposite, you will start heading towards that angle. So guys, I have something to show you around this Koka axis. If you cross over, which you're gonna be seeing very soon, like if you crossed over this Koka flyover, I will have to show you guys something, and that thing is very very bad. Like over here you can see that at this wall you can see where they write do not urinate here, but I can tell you in front of do not urinate here, people are urinating there, and it's making this whole place to be smelling like it has a bad odor. Honestly, you can see the looks of the drainage system around here is very very dirty. I don't know the people that are in charge of cleaning this drainage or around that Koka, because people are turning that place to something else. So guys, this is where we actually stopped the last time, or started the last time we filmed this area. So I filmed it to show you guys where we started, that nothing else has been added to them or to it. So from here we shift a little bit and start from where we actually stopped the last time I explored this road. I stopped at that in front of animal care, which is from here. So I stopped in front of the animal care, then zoomed the summit a little bit to show you guys that all that places has been touched. So today we are exploring the road from there down to before the mechanic village where they currently are. You can see they have already done something around here, but not yet completed, because the road is not yet wide enough. Like the other one they are completing now is not yet like that the other one. So they have done the first and second batch, remaining the last one. So before you know it, we will get to that summit leg over, and from there you will see the rest of it. So back to what I was saying before, that Koka axis is becoming very very unkept, very very it kind of has a one kind choking odor once you approach that that roundabout. There was a time the thing becomes so much, and I don't know, people that came around and they kind of clear everything, and the place become very neat again. So and now it has started again, and people are now sleeping under that bridge. I don't think it's supposed, because they are dirtying that environment. And if you climb up that bridge, if you climb up on top of that bridge, that particular bridge is very very dirty, like nylons and every other thing has littered everywhere. And I'm also suspecting that people are defecating around there, because the smell is no longer comfortable. Honestly, you can't bear it. You can't bear it at all. So this is around the summit, and what you are seeing there is the leg over, or should I say yes, leg over pedestrian bridge. That is what you are seeing over there. That is a summit road. So nothing much has been done here, except that they have poured the the stones, and then waiting to receive installation of rod, then pouring of concrete will come next. So nothing has been done here, except that place that I showed you initially. So they stopped at that place. Then after this leg over, across the leg over, if we move a little bit, the construction also commenced again, so which you will be seeing shortly after. So we are already across the leg over, heading towards where the where the pouring of concrete started again. Actually, when I visited this time around this place, nothing much is going on. The tractors are there, but there's no workers on site, unlike the other side where there is work, like they are working, and you see workers on ground and they are working. But here nothing is going on here. You can see their tractors, but I don't think there's anything going on here right now. So except that they have installed the road around here, then they have installed road, and it is waiting to receive a concrete. So that is the bridge. Turn around again, we head towards the mechanic village. Like I said earlier, it has not gotten to mechanic village, but almost to mechanic village. So I still don't, like, I'm not yet aware where the concrete road will end currently, but we will keep on flowing and giving you guys updates concerning it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click on the like button, click on the notification bell, and don't forget to give us your own take via the comment section. The video is remaining just 3 minutes, so you can watch the remaining part of it and see where they currently are, and how everything is looking, so you'll be able to give us a proper take concerning the road. And also, if you have more information about the road, maybe if they will still construct the new system, also let us know via the comment section, so we talk about it also. Thank you guys for watching, and do have a wonderful day.